Okay, hi guys, welcome to Tech World. And I believe many people have seen this what is on the screen now because I saw a flash of it where my note point, this note point, total note point increased, but immediately it decreased. That is what they are saying now on the screen. Now you can look at the screen very well. You see, due to overwhelming traffic between 1st to 3rd March, a UI glitch cause you understand caused user to temporarily see more points than they had usually that they are on their that they are unusual, and then it went back to normal. Okay, here is how you can calculate your node points at any point despite temporary UI glitch, which we have fixed already. Sorry for the inconvenience and cost. So let me right click it and open another folder for it. Then upload it. And let me quickly run this thing for you in case you are just joining me for the very first time. If you are just joining this note page or you pass, you have not do the meeting and the rest things, I just want to remind you that you have only one chance, but not for the meeting, but for this angle, which is a proof. This angle, I believe if you open it, your proof now, you will still see what is there, what to write. Just what they are just asking you now is to write that you are not a robot. That is one of the criteria for you to be eligible for any distribution of a token. Then remember they bring tasks, and the tasks, if you meet, after you meet, when you meet the NFT, that is a layer pledge, OG layer pledge. When you meet the first one, then the second one, you're able to come to this task and complete it. Just click on it, it will complete itself. And remember, this link your LCI so is coming on the way. So coming soon, which is going to give you 5,000 points. Then this next one, they are going to give you 8,000, 2,000, 2,000, 2,000. That is the total of this 12,000 points that I have here. So when you come over to the proof, remember just write I'm not a robot. I love this program, and you are done. And always send your referral to Twitters and the rest. So the other ones I want to show you now is this net phase, and it take us to Telegram. Let's open it. So on our Telegram, look at it. You see how you'll be able to what calculate. Let's join the group. This is a layer 8 community group. Okay, let me see what is here. It said due to this range of everything to calculate, look at it very well here. I believe, let me open it wider. So it says to calculate your current node point, follow this step here. They are taking us to another angle again until your meet time, and from then up till now, add your points according to your respective. Let's click on this place. It's taking us. Hi everyone. That is it. That is it. Quick update about the point situation. We noticed some of you saw double points on your dashboard. For a brief 5 to 10 minutes point that was just display glitch, your actual points are saved and sound and are calculated as follow. That is 1 hour node uptime equals to 2 hour, since the uptime of browser based node is 50%. You understand now? 1 hour time. So 1 hour node up gets you 2,000 points. So you have to calculate it. Our server have been working overtime with all the new folks joining, which is awesome. So you might notice small hiccup here and there in the current phase. Don't worry, though your points aren't going anywhere. Time for your understanding. Keep being amazing. Update 3rd March due to this glitch which I've read before. So to calculate it now is that 1 hour node uptime get you 2,000 K plus. So from that point, you notice it, the amount, if you check the correct amount. From you notice it, use 2000 to calculate till now. You know that your value that will store is okay, and you know that your value that will store is very much okay. So this the way to calculate. And if you are just coming across my video for the very first time, please do well to use the link I'm going to paste in the description box to join. So value, so even though you didn't meet anything, there's a free one. It's free. So just do well to join. So thank you very much for this wonderful update that I just released to you. See you in my next video.